Fishing Hickam again today with 2 live bait. So definitely have to use wire today. This side fish, this side bait. So we'll see. Here you go. All right, we'll keep you posted if anything take, okay? I'm on.
Oh yeah, Dad, watch some sharks. Dad, we must have found a sea over there. I have seen marks at 190. Yeah, I'm gonna come in and do this again.
Fish on could be an Ono. It's feel like it's not fighting much, so gotta be Ono. An Ono.
Yeah, Dad looks like he's in about 180. I'm in 234. I know that one there is something better.
Yeah, I'm out deep 330.
Oh, you're 230? Where are you at? On the west side of the pond?
East side.
Oh, interesting. I don't know. Where is in front of me is not that. How many is out here? That? What was that, man? I said, I don't know. I'm 300. I haven't seen it. Must be, waves must be high. Hey, there's out west. No, he said he's east side. I think I see him actually. No, I see him. I see him. He's over here. He's behind you, Ryan. That's that other guy that was working with no vest this morning. Was out in front of you. Is he skimming the surface with that fish over there, or what? Oh, he's pretty far from me. I don't know
What is it then?
But all I do know, Kevin, is your body better be locked in this position of attention right now. Kevin doesn't know what that's called, that music there.
Ah.
This is why we get bonuses. I did have a chance for a bonus. I didn't qualify. Because I was too high fucking skill level. Is that how they do it? If you're good, they don't want to pay you? Yeah, they're like, oh, you already decided to stay in, so fuck you. That's what the Marine Corps, when they started doing the squad leader development program, I re-enlisted like a month before it, and then it became a thing. And they're like, oh yeah, if you do this program, we're going to give you $65,000. I was like, well, can I opt into it now? They're like, oh, no. You've already re-enlisted. We don't want to give you any money. It's actually pretty crazy. Like when I was at Barksdale, like we'd get these airmen, and it was almost like there was a company fucking recruiting them. It was the weirdest thing. It was like Johnson Controls and another company that does like duck.
Not sure what this is, but it's fighting pretty crazy. It's deep. It must be a sheepy. If it's fighting like this. It's deep though. Boost it up. Gotta be a sheepy. A small one. This is a deep color. Yeah, deep color. I think it's sheepy. Yellowfin tuna. Oh man. Come on. God. Oh. Oh, got it in the meat, but I got it. Oh man. Whew. Oh. Oh shit.
That must be him.
Oh man, beautiful tuna, good size one. I got it in the meat. This one, the first one, it took off, and then this one, the second one. So it's all right. Good fatty one. Look at that. Woo. Hey guys, just
That thing was totally
finished bleeding this fish.
I didn't see the picture, so.
This one I think is 30.
Divided by
Solid 30. It's fat. Alright, time to put it in the bag.
Hey,